Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the handle and spindle size so the new part fits. This prevents wasted time and extra trips. Once done, open the window fully and support the sash with a cloth or wedge to stop it slipping. Remove any cap or visible screw. Some caps pop off toward the top or bottom. Then loosen the retaining screw until the handle wiggles free. Make sure to keep screws in a small container so they do not get lost. Now you remove the old handle and inspect the spindle and rose plate for damage. This matters because a damaged spindle causes wobble even with a new handle. Fit the new handle by aligning it to the spindle flat and push home gently to seat it. Test the handle rotation to ensure locking mechanism engages. If it feels stiff, remove and realign. Once aligned, tighten the retaining screw firmly, but don't over-tighten. Excess torque can strip the fixing or bend the spindle. Finish by cycling the window lock through its full range to confirm smooth operation and correct locking. If you notice binding or play, loosen the screw slightly, realign the handle, and retest until motion is smooth. Small adjustments usually fix alignment issues. If the spindle or rose plate is corroded or bent, replacing the spindle or calling a glazier is the correct next step because forcing a handle can strip the mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.